Here is oxalic acid. So we are going to look into oxalic acid under chemistry. My name is Venkat and I am a Microsoft Most Valuable Professional. Oxalic acid is an organic compound with the formula H2C2O4. It is a colorless crystalline solid that forms a colorless solution in water. Its condensed formula is HOOCCOOH, reflecting its classification as the simplest dicarboxylic acid. Its acid strength is much greater than that of acetic acid. Oxalic acid is a naturally occurring chemical in plants and animals, and is also consumed in a variety of different foods such as leafy greens, nuts, seeds, most berries, certain fruits, soy and soy products, meat and dairy products. In large amounts, oxalic acid is poisonous, but toxic levels are not found in foods that we normally eat. You are able to see oxalic acid while heating. It's converted into carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and water. Over here, it's having 3 carbon. That's a malonic acid. On heating, it gives acetic acid and carbon dioxide. Whereas this one is succinic. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon is succinic acid. On heating, it provides water and succinic anhydride. Let's move on to discuss on the physical properties of oxalic acid. In its solid form, it is colorless and has the appearance of a white crystal substance when purified. For humans, oral and topical application of this acid are highly toxic to the body due to its bleach-like and corrosive properties. Further, on the uses of oxalic acid can be used as a bleaching agent for both wood and stone. Oxalic acid effectively removes ink, food stains and many other types of stains. It is a gentle stain remover that aids the stain but leaves the base surface such as wood intact. Still further, oxalic acid is also used to remove the rust that are commonly found in plumbing pipes and kitchen countertops, and is a major ingredient found in commercial rust removers for sinks, tubs and metal rust stains. Here is the reaction with the methane, ethene, propane, propanol with the oxalic acid. At 100 degrees Celsius, it loses water and become a monooxalate. It's a glycerol monooxalate. And once again, it reacts with, it removes carbon dioxide to form glycerol monoformate, and finally, removing water or with water, it gives formic acid and the real glycerol. Aside from bleaching, rust removing and stain removing, oxalic acid is also used as a reducing agent in developing photographic films. Here is a small empirical formula I want to express to you. The empirical formula of a compound is a chemical formula which shows the smallest ratio of atoms of each element that made up a compound. Ethane 2, 6. The common is 1, 3, 1, 3 divided by 2. The common is 6 divided by 6 divided by 6 divided by 6. You got the empirical formula is this one. For water, you don't have anything. For oxalic acid, 2, 2, 4. The common is 2 divided by 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. You got HCO2. So these are called as empirical formula. We got plus 2 intermediate physics 3D videos. So it's a 8 pack, 8 DVDs in single pack, which you can buy from Flipkart or GTech website. And we got plus 2 chemistry 3D videos, intermediate videos is a 10 DVDs pack. You can get it from my website. And finally, thank you. So we got a lot of videos for you on chemistry and other areas. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can post queries or questions or doubts so that our experts will help you. Thank you.